Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Nissan Navara STX dual cab ute, stock reference number 5026. This shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual four-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with a left-hand headlight, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, chrome power door mirror. Left front door has 5 small dents, left rear door has 2 dents, spare wheel, 16-inch, good tyre, chrome rear bumper, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has multiple small dents, ARB canopy missing the rear window and side window, no keys. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side step, right power door mirror in chrome and a right front 16-inch steel factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth or grey cloth interior. Manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.